Happy Friday, everybody. It's Anna with Villa. I know. I'm hoping that you get to know me. Listen, I have a wonderful page on my website. It's titled Service Providers. The link is in my bio. These service providers will help you do anything with your property. From gardeners to cleaners to roofers, you name it. It's on there. And these people have given excellent service to me personally or someone I trust. And I've seen their work, every single one on this page. They do not pay to be there. I don't get kickbacks or anything like that. This is just an honest referral page. So all of you have somewhere to go to get really good referrals for really wonderful work. Not only do these people execute amazingly, but they are polite and respectful and mindful and communicate extremely well. If you're in the market for any kind of maintenance, cleaning, anything on your property, like I said, just anything at all, please feel free. It's free to use. I don't see who clicks on it. It's just a static page of list and information for you to utilize. I hope that you do utilize it, and that's all there is to it. I'm just putting out the word for people that give excellent service, and I hope that that's what you receive. Have a great weekend and take care.